Catastrophic injury is an injury that you suffer that impacts every aspect of your life. And you don't know what a catastrophic injury is until you are actually the victim of one or have a loved one who's the victim of a catastrophic injury. And that could be simply you can't get up out of bed in the morning, you can no longer tie your shoes, or maybe you are now paralyzed in a hospital bed. So catastrophic could be a range of things, but the easiest way to define it is an injury that impacts an individual's life in every way. Usually, catastrophic injury happens in some way of trauma, where there's a sudden event, such as a car accident or a fall from heights on a construction site that leads to paralysis or leads to a traumatic brain injury, or burns that are suffered as a result of some sort of explosion or some fugitive heat source, or death, which can happen in, unfortunately, multitudes of ways. And all those catastrophic injuries, in order to be adequately addressed, because they are so serious and impact an individual's life in such a permanent and pervasive way, that they need an experienced attorney that knows how to handle catastrophic injuries and work them up the correct way to get those folks the redress that they need to be best able to handle the injury and get on with their lives. Catastrophic is a scary term, and what the individuals face who are victims of a catastrophic injury or experience a catastrophic injury are faced with very scary circumstances. And that's why they need an experienced attorney who has dealt with these situations, who knows what they're going through, who can adequately capture all those times and that fear and everything else that they're going through, that they can relay that to a jury. And on top of that, that attorney also has to know what they're going through so that they can be compassionate and be able to get those folks the help that they need.